All right, guys, from now to the end of the year, every $5 you spend will get you...
Hey. What? Should we air the tire up first?
Oh, yeah. Anyways, guys, we have a completely blacked out 2013 Ram, 6-speed Cummins with the L35.
Hey.
19.
Hey.
What?
We got one more tire.
One more tire. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's pretty early here if you can't tell by my voice, but we're getting ready to head to my brother's, and we have a snowplow we're gonna be selling, so we need the skid steer to actually pick it up and load in the back of the truck. So we're gonna be using the 2013 Cummins 6-speed manual, and we will be towing over there with the skid steer that we just kind of did a quick little restore on. Not really anything crazy, just kind of serviced it, painted it, stuff like that. But the skid steer weighs about 4,000 pounds, so we're pretty much at max capacity on our trailer here, and we are going to be towing this thing about a 15-mile drive, not very long, but figured it'd be a good opportunity to get you guys like some good exhaust clips and stuff. We're also gonna be stopping by the post office to drop off an order for you guys that have been ordering merchandise. Really do appreciate it. So without further ado, guys, let's get started with a cold start. Once again, huge shout out stopping here at the post office to drop off this package to Landon Eastman. So appreciate it, man, and thanks for supporting the channel. Say, guys, by the way, the guy to get the snowplows there.
Is he?
Have to say, honestly, I mean, Mason's truck is second gen swapped. I've seen some comments, some guys saying, you know, are you gonna second gen swap the truck? And the answer is, after towing, no, it's not getting second gen swapped. If we ever have a turbo failure, we will just go back with a drop-in VGT, just because the exhaust brake is so nice when you're towing. I mean, it slows it down, it'll save the brake life. I know I don't tow a lot, but when I do, it'll be nice to have it there. So, yeah, we're not gonna second gen swap it. It drives awesome with the stock turbo. If this one ever goes bad, probably put a fleece cheetah on it, just because I really like those turbos. They're good quality turbo, and I want to put really good quality parts on this truck, not anything cheap. Without further ado, guys, we're going to get over here to Bailey's and get the Snowplow hopefully sold. Hopefully this guy buys the Snowplow, but we had to use a skid steer to basically load this thing up. So I want to do some towing with it. We're only towing probably around, I don't know, 7,500 pounds maybe, 8,000, I don't know. So, you know, not really towing a lot. Hell, it might not even be that, but just want to give you guys a little review and some exhaust clips and stuff like that. All right, guys, we made it over here to Bailey's, and we ended up being able to, the gentleman that put the skid steer up, he wanted us to just have something just in case. The plow that we sold was like an 8-foot plow, and he put it on a half-ton truck, so that was really sketchy, but he's driving like 200 miles like that or something, so hopefully the front end's not scraping the whole way, but he wanted us to basically have something to load it just in case, but we ended up not needing the skid steer, so there was no reason for us to even unload it. But give you guys kind of a little walk around now that it's a little brighter out. You can see we just kind of went through and just did a quick rattle can job on it, nothing too fancy, and fixed the fuel tank. We had to remove the fuel tank, we had to pull all these panels off the back and fix the fuel tank, and then we also got our safety bypass, our safety switch bypassed. I put just a little toggle switch that I painted over right there, but she's a nice little unit. She works good. I don't think it's something I want to keep around just because I don't really like that it's gas and you got to choke it and all that. And yeah, I really would like to get a skid steer this size, but a diesel to kind of keep around, so that way we can move vehicles in and out. But we're probably going to use it later to move the dually. Back to the house and got the dually pushed back into the garage, and we're getting ready to put some new brakes on this thing. We're still waiting to get the valve body for this thing, but as soon as we can get that, guys, we will get it slapped in the transmission that we rebuilt for this, and we will be hopefully on the road with this thing. This is a good running old truck that we bought just to fix up. Has some rust and stuff, but it is a Laramie leather truck, and it needs brakes. Like, it needs brakes really bad. So we ordered everything online, got some drilled and slotted rotors for it. Mason is getting the dually adapters broke loose. Working on it. So yeah. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go ahead and I'll set you guys up on the time lapse. We're gonna throw some brakes on this thing. All right, guys, we are, man, this thing's already fighting us. I can't even get the wheel off over here. So I'm gonna show you guys a little trick on how to get these wheels off if they're stuck. So I just took the bottle jack that's in the truck and I got it right here on the wheel. And I'm gonna just open this guy like this. It's really stuck out here on the outside. I've been hitting it with a hammer. Probably be able to do it by hand, honestly. We might need a tool. Yeah, it's moving there. Yeah, we're gonna put modules in this thing too. I forgot, I don't know if I told you that. Oh, those are gonna be fun. Huh? Yeah, those are gonna be real fun. All right guys, we have the new rear brakes are installed, and on the front we have got one of the wheel bearings to come loose, but the other one is just really seized, even doing the trick where you start the truck up and turn into it. This one's starting to come out. We couldn't get it, so we're gonna get some heat, a better torch set. I just have a small one, but we have access to a bigger one. So we get a bigger torch set, and we get a ball joint press. We're gonna put new ball joints in this thing, put the front back together, and then we'll be waiting on our valve body, guys. So very soon on this thing, we will be hopefully getting to drive it for the first time. I'm going to wrap up the end of today's video. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. Be sure to pick up some merchandise on the website, dirtydiamonddiesel.com. Link is in the description of this video. But without further ado, see you guys on the next one.